Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open a PayPal account in Myanmar. Currently, direct registration for a PayPal account is not available for individuals residing within the country. This presents a significant challenge for online transactions and receiving international payments. We will explore the proven method to bypass these restrictions, ensuring you can manage your finances globally and securely, enabling essential access. PayPal, as a global financial service, faces regulatory and operational limitations, preventing its direct availability in Myanmar. This means any attempt to sign up directly with a local address or phone number will fail, leading to frustration. Understanding these core obstacles is crucial before seeking any solution. We need to identify a pathway that respects these limitations while still providing the desired functionality for your transactions. The most effective method for residents in Myanmar to access PayPal involves utilizing specialized third-party services. These companies establish PayPal accounts in countries where it is fully operational, then grant you access. They essentially act as a secure bridge, connecting you to the global payment system. This allows you to send and receive funds internationally, overcoming the geographical restrictions effectively and reliably. To begin, carefully choose a well-regarded third-party service provider, ensuring they have strong security and positive customer feedback. Their registration process will require you to submit personal details and, crucially, identity verification documents, such as a passport or national ID card. Expect this verification to take anywhere from 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, you will receive instructions on accessing your new, facilitated PayPal account securely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.